buzzer. And your light goes on. You get 10 points for the right answer. Minus 10 if you give Erin the wrong answer. That means don't guess. Only press the buzzer when you know the answer. Now Erin, red team went first, their light is on. Right now, could the blue team buzz? No, just like that.
Clap your hands. Don't stop dancing. Don't stop. Only 3 hours to go. Serious? That's crazy. No, Nana. No, Nana. Is there a doctor in the house? You're all very good dancers. I still... You clap. When I shake, you shake. When I wiggle, you wiggle. Whatever I do, you must do. It's follow the leader. Ready? Let's go. Shake it, shake it. Going swimming. You're all very good teams. Thank you. Go sit down. Captains, it's time for a physical challenge. Simon says stop, hands down. Simon says hands down, your name. Out, go sit down. Listen carefully. Simon says you over here. Stop. Freeze. Out, go sit down. Simon says over here. Simon says stop, hands down. Simon says hands down, your name. No. Simon says your name. Louder. You are good. Shake. Simon says hands down.